I've learned that no matter what happens, or how bad it seems today, life does go on, and it will be better tomorrow. I've learned that you can tell a lot about a person by the way he or she handles these three things: a rainy day, lost luggage, and tangled Christmas tree lights. I've learned that regardless of your relationship with your parents, you'll miss them when they're gone from your life. I've learned that making a living is not the same as making a life. I've learned that life sometimes gives you a second chance. I've learned that you shouldn't go through life with a catcher's mitt on both hands. You need to be able to throw something back. I've learned that whenever I decide something with an open heart, I usually make the right decision. I've learned that even when I have pain, I don't have to be one. I've learned that every day you should reach out and touch someone. People love a warm hug, or just a friendly pat on the back. I've learned that I still have a lot to learn. I've learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. What's up, Internet? If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help me out. I just want to explain a little bit about what this video was, how it happened. Basically, I just put this together in the last 24 hours. None of the footage is mine. It all comes from stock footage called Storyblocks. It's just a site full of footage to use. You pay for a subscription and you can use it. I gave it a trial run and I wanted to see if I could actually make a video out of the stock footage. So I pretty much used all the footage available to me of Toronto. All the good Skyline footages, obviously, lots of time lapses. So I combed through like 760 different videos of Toronto, got the ones I liked, and then knew I wanted to make some sort of video. So I went looking for some inspirational quotes to have over the top of the music, and what I found was by Maya Angelou, and when I really looked into it, she is absolutely amazing, and even though I didn't intend for this to happen, it sort of lines up very well with the Black Lives Matter movement, because she was an outspoken civil rights advocate, she was a poet, a writer, a journalist. She had absolutely an amazing life. I did some research looking into it and I was just blown away by how great it was. So I'm really happy I found that quote. Definitely go look into it, look her up, read about her, read her works. I'm definitely going to. So I'm very happy that that quote got included in this project. So it was a lot of fun. It was kind of a test personally to see how fast I could edit and if I could actually use stock footage to make something worthwhile and nice. And I think I pulled it off. Let me know in the comments if you think I pulled it off, if there's things I could have done better. But overall, it was really fun. I think it's a success. I'm pretty happy with how the video turned out. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.